Finally, there's a grinder rest for handheld 4.5-inch to 5-inch grinders. This new grinder rest from Strong Hand Tools gives you a convenient, compact, and portable stand for holding your grinder, wrenches, spare discs, and grinder cord. The grinder rest gives me a safe place to set my grinder down while I work. And I don't have to worry about my grinder slipping off the table and falling on the floor, possibly damaging it. And I can keep my grinder close by while I work, so I can easily reach over and grab it when I need it. It's a fast action. Just park and pick up. I can store my spare discs, wrenches, and grinder on the rest. And it's a great time saver too, because I'm not running all over the shop looking for a spare disc when I need one. And it's actually kept me from losing the spare discs and wrenches. Plus, at the end of the day, I can wrap this cord around the cable wrap hook, and I've got this one neat and compact portable stand for holding my grinder and all the accessories together. I can't tell you how many times someone from the shop has tripped over a grinder cord and knocked the grinder on the floor. A dangling cord makes the shop look disorganized and messy, and it's an invitation to knock the grinder on the floor. So the grinder rest solves those problems. And being able to store the grinder and all the accessories together has actually made us all so much more efficient. And it's saving us money because we're not having to replace lost and damaged accessories. The grinder rest comes in two models. The magnetic base model, the one that I'm using here, with its strong magnetic base that I can place anywhere on my work table. And the C-clamp base model that I can clamp onto any table edge or table leg. I recommend the grinder rest for any shop, home garage, for safety, convenience, and efficiency. Just park and pick up. Thanks for watching. Get more product details at stronghandtools.com.